to head over to 680 News to chat with senior business editor Mike Eppel right now about the Toronto stock market. It's starting the day just over 100 points away from its all-time record. I like what you called it earlier, a stealth rally. It sounds, yeah, sounds pretty cool.
Amidst all of the noise of what's been going on, whether it's U.S. politics or just the rally that we've seen for Wall Street over the past 2 months after the U.S. election, the Toronto stock market's been doing pretty well. In fact, last week had a nice rally at the end of by the end of Friday's trade, 138 points. It was up again, and the Toronto stock market, which was the best performer among the major exchanges in 2016, is off to a pretty good start to this year as well. And so much so that like you say, the TSX is easily within range of a record as we start this trading day, 120 points away from the all-time record, which was set on September 3rd of 2014. It's about 150 points or thereabouts from its intraday peak, but again, could see some records being broken right off the bat today, if we have a good day, of course, for Toronto stocks. And right now, Tammy, really what we're looking at is a cautious start, because we've got U.S. politics in the spotlight. The reopening or restart of NAFTA negotiations with the Trump administration, really the first full week of activity for the Trump team in Washington. What are they going to do with trade? What are they going to do with geopolitics? What are they going to do about anything that may upset, again, this 2-month rally? We also have, as well this week, spotlight on earnings. McDonald's reports this morning. Through the week, we'll hear Boeing and Caterpillar and Google's parent company, Alphabet. This is really what the market is waiting for, the tangible evidence that companies in corporate America are actually making all sorts of money, because really it's been based on hope and speculation at this point over this rally time frame. Samsung says it's figured out what went wrong with the Galaxy Note 7. Remember those devices which were released last fall and promptly had to be pulled back from the market, 3 million or thereabouts, because they caught fire in some cases. Not good, Samsung says. The lithium-ion batteries problems came from 2 separate manufacturers, the wrong sizes and such, and just weren't compatible with the actual device. So they're back to the drawing board. The Galaxy Note 8 will probably be delayed. The Galaxy S, which is typically unveiled at the World Mobile Conference next month in Spain, probably will be delayed as well. So Samsung maybe learned from all of this. Apple, meantime, is making some news, potentially for U.S. job creation. And this comes back to the whole Trump administration plan to create U.S. jobs. Foxconn, which is Apple's biggest supplier, is talking about creating 30,000 to 50,000 U.S. jobs with a potential $7 billion investment. They're just talking about that right to this point. Nothing specific yet, but that would be quite the move for one of China's biggest industrial producers. Tammy, back to you.
All right. Thanks very much, Mike.